Alright guys, another problem to fix. So today we'll be working on the g35. Start to have some problems with the window. Started to go down by itself. Put it up, goes down, put it up, and now it's dead. So we'll try to check the window regulator. Had a problem long time ago, changed that, so we'll see if it's the motor again or something else. Okay, later I'll be back. Alright guys, so to remove the door panel off, we're gonna have one screw near the handle and two underneath here. So to pop this thing, there's a little groove underneath. You just pop it, take it out. If you could see, it's just little clips holding it. You take it out, remove the Phillips screws, 3 screws. After that, you're gonna take out your control thing, just clip it under. It will come off easy. After that, push on the plug. Have a little thing, push it on, and you can disconnect your control. After that, you could take it from the inside and just pry it a little bit. There's few clips all around. Push it under. Then you'll be able to slide your panel out. Take out the handle, pass it through the handle, and your panel will be removed. Alright. This is your plug, what it looks like. So just press on the tab on top and pry it out. To take out the door handle from the inside the panel, just lift the little thing, take the little ball out. The ball is on top, and then do the same with this and just take it out from the groove. There's a little, if you can see the way it looks, there's a little hook. Put the hook inside the hole and you're done. Your panel is off. On the inside, disconnect your door light and you can take completely the panel off. So this is the way your panel looks by the inside. So this is your clips that holds it through the door. They're at the bottom and on the side. There's 2 on this side and 3 on that side. So this is all, and after that you just pop it up, slide it up and slide it out. Alright, so this is the clips holding the door. Alright, after you remove the panel, remove all the around bolts. There's I think 11 of them, 10 millimeter. So you're ready to take that panel off and disconnect your plug here the same way. Press on the tip and pull it out. You have your little tab here to press. Alright. Okay, remove your 212 millimeters that connects to your window regulator track. Alright, on top here you have 2 10 millimeters that you will have to take off. That's from the regulator tracks too. Alright, so after you remove all the holding bolts, you can almost be able to take out the panel. So from now you can disconnect your holding motor on the panel, plus you have to take out the plug here and fish it through the grommet over here. All right, we'll be back. All right, so at this point your panel is out. Now if you want to check this plug, you could remove, like, you have access to those little things there, squeeze them on, or if not, the way that this bracket is made, there's a little clip underneath it, so if you're able to slide it down, but then you have to pry it from inside the front to take the little thing off. Anyways, you can take it out by the with the plugs. There should be good. So at this point, now you have the motor and the regulator. So to take it apart, on the back of your regulator you have 3 Phillips screws, so you can take it out, and at the same time you can inspect that all your wires and everything are good, so it's nothing broken. And then we'll go and inspect the rest, what would be next. Alright, so we separated the regulator from the motor. You can inspect your regulator if all the wires and everything are good. I reconnected the motor just to show you. You see, if we put it on and we test the motor, it works. But then the minute you're gonna put it on the regulator, it won't, because this motor has a limited switch inside. That's what controls your anti-clip mechanism. Listen. You hear that little clip? That's probably when it starts to skip. It could be broken. And that's why when it passes those gears, then you fall like in the limited switch problem. Anyways, we'll inspect it and we'll get back to you. Alright, so we replaced the motor with one made in China. So if you could see, Amazon, 36 bucks plus shipping was 54 bucks. So we'll see how long this one lasts. And anyways, when I get new brushes, we'll be rebuilding the other ones, and I'll make a video if I can later, guys. Alright, replace the motor. We put everything together. We did the reset button. Everything looks like working. Window goes up. Everything is fixed. So we'll see how long this one's gonna last. And we'll get some more. When we get some new brushes, we'll try to rebuild the other ones. Anyways, guys, later.